Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial series on how to make a video posting board in Laravel Lumen and VueJS. So just to give you a little background information on what exactly this is going to do, basically users can submit their YouTube videos and other users can comment on them. So let's get started building this out. We'll be using Laravel Lumen like I said, and yeah, let us create a new project using the composer create project method. We'll be saying Laravel/Lumen and then the directory we want this in, so in this case video board. Now if you run this, this will create the project for you. I have already done this, so I'm just going to cd into it so you don't have to wait for it to load. And yeah, that's it. Then we are in our project, and then when we refresh here we should see Laravel Lumen 5.6 and Laravel Components 5.6 as well. So when we look at our file structure, when we open this up, we'll see our file structure, which we're used to if you've worked with Laravel before. Now let us open up the bootstrap/app.php. I just enable a few things because Laravel Lumen doesn't come with all the things you are used to enable in Laravel, so we'll have to enable our facades and eloquent. And we'll also enable the app service provider, although that is empty for now. So once we've done this, we can start out with creating our migrations, which we're going to do using the make migration command. So first of all, we'll create our posts table. When we add the create flag, we'll say that it has to create the posts table. So when we open this up, we'll just add a few columns here. So we'll say we want a string of title. We want another string, or a text field rather, with the body, so the post body. And then we'll say another string for the YouTube ID. So this is going to be the YouTube ID the user submits in. Okay, so that's that for the post table. Very simple and easy. If we just create another migration for the create comments table, because we want users to comment on these posts, obviously. So over here we're just going to say we want an integer of post ID, so these comments are going to relate to one of these posts, and this is going to be unsigned. Then we'll have another integer with parent comment ID. This one's also going to be unsigned and nullable, because we obviously don't want to have we don't always want to have a parent comment ID on these comments. So then as a last field, we want to have a text field with obviously also the body of this comment. And then we'll just create relations for these two columns. So we'll say table foreign post ID, and then this references ID on posts, and then on the lead we'll just cascade this. We'll just duplicate this down, and we'll say the same for parent comment ID. Cascade this as well, and this will reference also the ID but on the comments table. So that's it for our migrations. Let's just migrate this and see what's happened. Let's see what happens. First of all, make sure I'm in this video board table. Then I'll run my migrations, and that has run successfully. So we'll just check here. We have our post table, which has the title, the body, the YouTube ID, and then the comments, which have the post ID, the parent comment ID, and the body. And we'll see that our migrations also have been added successfully. So that's that for our migrations. Now let us create some models. Now I'm going to be storing these in a models directory, but you can obviously also store these in the app directory like normal. That is up to you. So I'm going to create a post.php. Obviously want to add a namespace to this so we can reference it. We'll say post, and I will say extends model. So pull this in, and then you'll have access to the model. Alright, so now we'll say protected table equals posts. Now we'll add our fields here. Fillable equals title, body, body, and YouTube ID. This should probably be YouTube video ID, but this will do for now. Yeah, that's alright. So then we'll create another model, which will be comment. Create this out. We also want to extend this as a model. We'll also say protected table equals comments, and then we'll also say protected fillable equals so we have the post ID, we have the parent comment ID, and we have the body. So that is it for our models, and then we're basically done. What we can do is maybe quickly check if this is actually working. So I'll just do here is do a die dump on let's just grab all the posts. See, got all the posts here, which will probably return null. So that's an empty collection right now, but if we add a post here manually, so we'll say first post, this is the post body, and then we'll say the YouTube ID just as a test, like test now and now. So what we see here is the we see first post here, so this has obviously worked. And that's it for the first episode on how to create this app out. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next episode where we're going to be creating our first controller, our first API controller to later interact with this in the front end. So thank you for watching, and hope to catch you later. Bye.